Tips to help you manage your diabetes. Depending on the cause of your diabetes, you could possibly eliminate it entirely or just severely reduce the effects of it by making changes to your diet and lifestyle. This video will show you a few ways to reduce the effects of your diabetes and work towards freeing yourself from its grasp. Checking out international foods is an excellent way of finding new recipes that you'll actually enjoy eating, even though they're good for you and your diabetes. I'd highly recommend trying tabouleh, a Middle Eastern dish made with herbs, onions, lemon juice, and bulgur. It's extremely good mixed with hummus and served on a pita. If your child is diagnosed with diabetes, make keeping track of their blood sugar fun. Have a contest where they get a reward for doing their blood sugar on time every day for a certain number of days, like a trip to the toy store or an hour at the park. Stress can wreak havoc on a diabetic's mental health, but it will also cause problems physically as well. Try to do stress-relieving activities like exercise, yoga, or deep breathing exercises at the end of the day or during any situation that is particularly stressful to keep yourself calm, cool, and collected. While at work, try to get in as much exercise as possible to keep your diabetes in check. Take the stairs to the next floor to use the washroom, or go for a brisk walk around the cubicles during a break. You can even pump some iron with a bottle of water when you're on the phone. Having diabetes doesn't have to mean that you are a slave to the disease. With some hard work and determination, you can outsmart it and change your body in ways which may allow you to get better over time. This video has shown you how you can have the power over diabetes, instead of it having the power over you. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.